Okay, so this is where we are. So now we have the PVT designer window. Let me squeeze it. Okay. So again, you can right click in this gaseous area, right? And then you can right click and yeah. So now we are located at this critical point. You can see here the yellow color critical point, and our location is, if we expand, is right there. So if this is the critical point and we are located up there, it means that we are in supercritical state. Below this point, we have really the true gaseous state. At that side, we will have liquid state, but at that side, we have supercritical state, to be exact. Okay, so we have, confirmed that when we inject the CO2 in the given reservoir temperature and pressure, we are injecting in supercritical state. We have the phase envelope for the CO2. Okay, and we are currently taking the point from this cell, X31, Y48, Z1. Of course, you can also check the condition at other grid, but that will be the same thing. We are injecting in supercritical condition. Okay, and then let's check the pressure. So it's like this. You can move around to see the pressure change, right? You can also observe the injection propagation based on the pressure there. Starting from this condition, move to the right, you can see the increased pressure, and then more and more the pressure is increased. The pressure propagation expanded or propagated, right? Okay, so, and then graphs, of course. We are not interested in oil rate. We don't have oil rate and water rate. We are interested in gas injection rate, and we can model that. And we are also interested in pressure, but we cannot plot it at the same plot. We can do that in graph template, but later we don't have, not in this video. So you can see we can plot the gas injection rate in million standard meter cube per day from the starting of injection to the last time step. So it's easy. And lastly, analytics. FIPNAM, we can also model the number of moles of CO2 in water and then trap in gas by the residual trapping, and then mobile, free CO2. Okay, but we will not talk more than this. So I think we can close this video first, and later on we will open the new video where I will explain more about this result. And we can also model the CO2 injection in liquid phase. Okay, but I think we can call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is useful. I hope this video is important for all of us. See you again in the next CO2 sequestration modeling using tNavigator videos. Thank you.